So this is your table. Okay. From this table, we can run a query. Usually a table, we have several records. We just have few here, just for the sake of the practical. You're going to have large volume of data, and you need to just uh, extract the part you need. You have several columns, you have several rows. So the part you need is what you need to pull out. Okay. And you don't want to use code this time around. You simply want to use the query by example method. So let's see how this is done. Make sure your table is active. Like the table could be in the left-hand pane here. It's here. It's not active yet. Okay. So you have to make sure it is active by double-clicking. So it is active in the work area. So in the work area, now you're going to use that item. Click on create and go to query wizard. Select the simple query wizard. Select the items you need. Click on next. Click on next. Click on modify query design and click finish. So remember that we could do a whole lot of things here. Remember, this is, if you're doing a design, this is the query design environment. Okay, look at this field. These are the field names here. These are the field names. ID. Okay, we did not select ID. We selected name, class, CA1 and CA2 in our query. So that is what you're seeing right here. Okay. Now, if I need to generate a field at runtime, I can come here. For instance, I need to generate a field called total. I can do it from here in our query. Okay. Remember, you use colon here. And then you will bring in the fields into these square brackets. Okay, see the square brackets as fields. I'm adding two unique fields, that is CA1 and CA2. Okay, I believe we can all see this clearly. So you put the CA1, the name of the field must be correctly spelled. The second field, CA2, correctly spelled, like what you have here. It must not be different from the field names here. Okay, if I push down my shift key and F2 button, is going to actually make this bigger so that you can see it clearly. I can as well make this a bit bolder by going to fonts. And then from fonts, I'll be able to select the font size so that it can be clearer to you. This is just for your sake, otherwise there's no need for this. All right, so this is the code I just entered. Total colon CA1 plus CA2. We want to add the two together. So you can actually enter your formula within this field. Now I'm ready to run this. Remember how to run this. You must be on the design tab and then you click on run. So what it has done, see, the field we just created right here, and it has done the sum of CA1 and CA2 and put it under that field. Okay, now let's see what we are here for. Query by example. Right click on this, select SQL view. Voila, the codes are there. All right, gentlemen, that is query by example for you. If I need to go back to the design view, I can just right click and click on design view. So we're back to this environment. Whatever we need to do here, we can do. For instance, I can instruct access to help me sort based on a particular field. For instance, if I need to sort by name, I can come here, sort by name, click on this, and then select ascending or descending, as the case may be. If I select ascending, it's going to sort in ascending order. I believe this is clear. So if I run this now, see the effect of this. It has sorted in ascending order. Okay. I can decide to sort using other fields. Like if I want to sort based on total here, performance. Let's go there. You can switch, design view. Okay. Let's sort based on total. Yes. Go here. You will see this button. Click on it. Okay. Select scores. We can decide to stop this from helping us to sort. Not sorted. I believe that's clear enough. Okay, I did the wrong thing here earlier. We ought to be in this field here. Sort in descending order. That is by performance. First position comes first. Let's run this. Voila. It's also working. The first person comes first. The last call last. Let's see the SQL. Fantastic. It's responding. All right, gentlemen, this is query by example in full demo for you. So I want you to go back and do your own practice. Do it. I'll create a page where you will screenshot. And what you need to do for me is for this now, okay, I'll still post this video to you. You will do a screenshot. Remember how you do your screenshots. Remember, don't use your camera. Do a screenshot. You can use snipping tool. Okay. Snipping tool is available for you at all times. So just click new and then draw the whole thing, capture the entire screen this way. Release it. Ensure that your name is showing at the top here, like that. Okay, this is what you will upload to the card which I'll create. There's a card I'll create for this classwork. Gentlemen, I will pause the recording now.